Notice my hair is still the same. It's still so bright though, but this has got to go. It's gotta go. It's driving me crazy. Hopefully this weekend this will be handled. It's driving me insane. I'm okay. I'm okay. Welcome back to my channel. It's Pixie again. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you happen to be doing right now when you're watching this. I hope you're doing it fabulously and safely and take care of yourself and your loved ones. And welcome to another awkward video. And if you're new here, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. All I do here is awkward. And I have an unboxing or two. It's two. I have two unboxings. But I'm super excited about both of these, obviously, because, well, that's why we're here. We love unboxings. We love a good unboxing or two. Yeah, I'm gonna take a drink for that. The first one is a surprise package from my dear friend Rachel. Check her out at Delia LaFay if you are not subscribed to her yet. She does fashion hauls, food, well, health goth is what she calls them. She does fashion hauls, she does makeup, she does crafts. Definitely check her out, subscribe to her. She's a lovely person. I love her so much. And we're gonna get right into that. And then I have a pair of boots that I've been wanting since they came out, and they were in stock and they were in my size, and I was like, I'm not losing these shoes again. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not. Like, I let them go once and I lived with regret. I did replace those with another pair of shoes. I'll leave a card because their rainbow glory deserves to be shared again. But yeah, it's been about a year since I found those boots, and then when I checked the Pleaser website, they were back and they were only in my size, so I just snagged them up. I was like, I don't even care if I'm broke, if I reached my limit for shopping to get these boots, I had to have them. I was not going to lose these boots again. I was not going to lose the opportunity. Anyways, let's get right into Rachel's package. I'm so excited. And she said it was some CBD stuff, which I'm super excited about because I've been out of my oil for a while. I've been looking for a new brand, so hopefully something in here will give me a new brand to try, because I didn't like the Chiefs after I switched from the Tennessee or Kentucky hemps. I went to Chiefs, which is based in California, I believe, and I did their subscription just to like renew their tincture, and I would run out before it was delivered. And I messaged them about it. I was like, I'm canceling my subscription because I would run out before you sent the next bottle, and they didn't respond. So I was like, all right then. If you're not going to respond, I'm just going to cancel my subscription. I figured they'd at least like work with me or explain why it wasn't delivered on the day that they said it would be. I think mine was like the 16th of every month, but I would literally run out before it was shipped to me. And I was like, that's not worth the money if I'm going to go without, because tinctures are I'm just like rattling my razor while I ramble. It's something that I think that you should take every day if you are taking tinctures or gummies, because then your body adjusts to them and like the chemical balance in your brain. So if then you stop taking it, or if you can't take it, then it's like you have to start over. At least that's my opinion. I don't know if that's been proven. It's just how I feel. I've noticed that when I take anything CBD for a while and then I just stop suddenly because I run out, or if I forget, or if I lose the bottle somewhere in my house, like I misplace it, I feel so off the next day, and then it's like I have to correct my chemical imbalance or whatever again, and it's just, you know, it's kind of a moot point if you don't have it. Anyways, I'm gonna open this now, so we'll see what she sent me, and I'm super excited. And I just have a label here, so I don't know if I'm cutting into the right side of the box, but yay. But yay. I'm a person of words tonight. And is this how you open it? Is this gonna be difficult? I don't know, I'm just gonna tear into this box. I'm gonna recycle it anyway. If it doesn't open. There we go. Yay! Padding. Okay. So she sent me mentholated rub with CBD. It's 200 milligrams, so this will be good for when my fingers start cramping up. I can't wait to try these. So there's 2 of these. I'm very interested to try these because I have onset of arthritis from sewing and doing the things with my hands. And then this is a Rip and Sip 20 milligram liquid CBD, where you mix it with any beverage, and unflavored, vegan, and gluten-free. It's a THC-free drink mix, so that is very interesting. I will definitely try this. And then we have, what is this? This is a 6-pack tropical CBD, so I'm assuming you can put this under your tongue. Rachel, please correct me if I'm wrong. Or you can probably put this in a drink as well, because it just says CBD 6-pack, 33 milligrams. Okay, cool. Definitely gonna give this a try. And then the last thing in this box is a Tao Zen full spectrum CBD oil, 500 milligrams, lemon flavor. So I am super excited for this. Thank you so much, Rachel. I really appreciate this. And if I like this one, I might actually start ordering it. I will visit their website. So yay, that really made my night. So I'm excited to have some CBD in my life again. I really appreciate it. I love you. Thank you so much for thinking of me, and I cannot wait to try those out for sure. And now we are going to go to the booths, and I have to like get situated, so I shall return. Okay, I also want to mention, happy Pride, y'all. I'm almost like afraid to open these boots because this has been like a moment I have been waiting for, and I want to like savor it. And I also want to mention that I bought these directly from the Pleaser website to cut out the middleman, because I've had problems with Good Goth in the past, and they don't do refunds on their boots, and some came damaged, so I had to get a store credit, and then I bought those boots off Amazon, and that was a while back, so I was just kind of like iffy. I have ordered boots from Good Goth where I couldn't find them anymore, and I had better luck with those, but I'm still like, I'd rather order directly from the actual manufacturer and their official website, because yes, and they were slightly cheaper actually. These were $105, and Good Goth I think had them listed for almost $110, so I will take the money when where I can save it. And I didn't even check the website that we shall not name because I don't support them anymore, and I don't even know if they have them. I haven't even clicked on their website. So I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm ready for this. I really don't, because I've been waiting so long. And shipping was amazing. On the Pleaser website, if you spend over $99, I believe, you get free 2-day air. And even though I ordered it on holiday weekend, they came on Tuesday. So I ordered them Thursday or Friday, I believe, and today is the 3rd officially because it is after midnight. I am so freaking happy. I just hope they're not damaged. I'm gonna cry if they're damaged because then I'll have to wait again, but we can already see the classic red Pleaser box, and my heart is like, oh, I'm so excited. Did I mention I'm excited? Yes. So here we go. The classic Pleaser box with butterflies, and those for those of you who do not know, Pleaser is also Demonia and pinup shoes, and there's something else. They have different lines, but they are all the same. And these are called Purple, Blue, Glitter, Black, Uni 1020 GPP Blue GB. And I got a 9. And Demonia and Pleaser run very true to size. I've never had a problem with their size. And the box is intact. Sometimes when you order from other websites, the box is not intact and I have to throw it away. I try to keep the boxes. Oh my gosh, I finally have them. And there's the Pleaser tissue paper. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so freaking pretty. And the heel is glittery. And the platform is black glitter. And they are these light purple, beautiful, holographic, glitter, mid-calf, freaking insane boots of my dreams. And they are also black light reactive. Like, you may as well just like send me to heaven now, because these are everything to me, and I've been wanting these. They have been saved on my phone. They have been saved on my computer. I was tempted to make them my phone wallpaper for the longest time when they were sold out the first time, but I have them. They are gorgeous. What other boots? Like, I'm done now. I'm done with my shoe collection. It is official. I'm lying. You know they're gonna come out with more shoes, but look at these glorious freaking unicorn. Oh my gosh. Oh, they are just... It's like this mother of pearl holographic freaking light purple, and the glitter is kind of coming off on my hand, but that is to be expected, and I have to lace them up myself. But look at these freaking shoes, and it looks like the quick laces are intact. The zipper is fantastic. Let's pull out the other one, and then let's try these guys on. Oh my goodness. Crinkle, crinkle. Oh my gosh. I cannot get over these. Oh. Let's see, these quick laces are also intact. They are not bent. And zipper test. What? They are amazing. And yes, I can walk in these. My highest heels are 8.5, I believe, which was the other pair of pleasers that are also rainbow and glitter and blacklight reactive. Okay, let's go try these on. I am so excited. Are you excited? Are you excited? I am. Just let's do a count of how many times I say excited to have these in my life. Yes, let's try them on. Yay, awkward guy. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed these boots as much as I did. Let me know what you think. And again, if you haven't yet, please go check out Delia LaFay, aka Rachel, and check out her channel and be sure to subscribe. She's such a lovely person. She's so sweet. I hope you are wearing whatever makes you happy, as long as it's not hurting anybody else, because it's none of their business if they say anything to you, and just ignore them, because if you get dressed in the morning and it makes you smile, keep wearing it. That's the whole point of this channel, is being yourself, and especially your rainbow self. Bonus points for rainbow anything. And I hope you have a wonderful champagne brunch tea, and not the bad tea, because we don't do drama here. And I will see you when I see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye. Awkward Pixi out. Bye.